QSERVICES, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, here we are again. What we're showing you is a Ventura. This is a soap Ventura. What simply happens is you put this on the outlet of the pressure washer on the actual machine itself. Now these work between different sizes and so on, so what you've got there is a 2.3, 2.1 and a 1.8. Your 1.8 works between 0 to about 10 litres. You then got the 2.1, 10 to 14, and then you've got the 2.3 that goes from such as 15 to 21. Now inside every Ventura, what you don't realise is the jet inside there, and that jet, which you can see, is like this item, little screw on there, and that's got a jet inside, which you can see. The bigger the number, the bigger the jet. Now you've also got to remember that when you're using your pressure washer, you set your pressure washer and loader and everything else, and if you put too small a jet on, you end up with problems. These have got 22mm Karcher screw fittings on of this system. Filters there for protection. But like I say, so how these work is, at the end of the lance, you can't afford anything in the system that downsizes. So right at the end, you'd have a jet on there and you'd put the system to low pressure. So either the hose directly out of the hose, a double lance that reduces the pressure within the system. This is not an injector, totally different altogether is a Ventura. So like I say, you can't afford up and down, so you can't afford to have a 1/4" hose and up to 3/8 and so on. You've got to run with the same bore right the way through, as otherwise you won't get the system to work correctly. Adjustable system on there, and what you've got inside there is a ball bearing and spring. What you're better off doing when you finish off with these is simply put them into fresh water and rinse them through. Leave it with soap in, the soap goes sticky, and before you know it, you've got a Ventura that's faulty. You can get these in stainless steel as well, so if you're using very strong chemical, it is the way to go really. But like I say, it's one of them where it's up to you with what you purchase and everything else. But like I say, a screwdriver in the end, and you can change the size that suits you. So when we're asking the question, sometimes we'll say what size, what litres. We're not that bothered about the pressure, it's more the litres we need to know when we're supplying Venturas. Thank you very much. QSERVICES, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. And these are not soap foam injectors, the Venturas. Thank you very much.